I'm cutting the top pins. Actually, this is the side piece, the vertical piece on the left side. It's actually on the right side. So the triangle marking here. So this is the back of the cabinet. This is the front. This will have a little miter joint on it in the front here. So I've using the tails that I cut out in the top piece, I used that to mark. You can see little knife cuts here that mark out the pins. And this is a blind dovetail, so there's a 3/16 inch ridge here at the back that covers the pins. So I'm sawing a little bit fat. I've gone down and sawn all the of this angle. Now I want to come back and saw the other angle. I've got 3 here. I'm staying away from my knife cut just a little bit because it's easy to pair that with a chisel later on when I remove the waste here. So I'm not trying to cut right to that knife cut. I'm cutting just a little bit fat. And I'm using the cross grain teeth on the saw, not the rip teeth that are too big. This works better. I've got vertical pencil lines here so that I can try to stay on sometimes on 18th century furniture, you can see the saw lines going much further down beyond the bottom here, which is the thickness of the top piece. This is 9/16. So, but I'm just going down to the 9/16 line. Doesn't make much difference to me. I've done this with an English saw as well. I just like the way these thin blades work on the Japanese saws. I'm not sure how many pins there were on the original piece. I know it's a pretty high number. What have I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think they could have been spaced a little bit more, but I just... Okay, it's good in this part of the bench where I I can get down. The vise on the other end won't work because the crank and everything is out this far, and it makes it so I can't get an angle down nicely like on this. But I add a little bit of clamping here at the bottom to really firm that up against the bench.